Welcome to the second session of Learn's 1-Minute Brochure Design Workshop Series.
There are two key elements to use on the first 2 pages of your brochure, a welcome and a table of contents. This will help you create a connection with your readers and capture their interest. Keep the welcome short and focused on benefits. Use the content section to guide people to all important content, including registration pages.
Remember, you have 3 seconds to get attention with your cover and 30 seconds to capture interest with the first 2 pages.
What's in it for me? That's what it's all about for readers of your brochure, and the city of Victoria addresses that question directly with features on its most popular programs. Photo, strong color and visual interest, brief introductory text, and good visual flow work together to make this example an effective welcome page. Action language and a testimonial always help sell your classes.
Check back soon for the next session. In the meantime, lean on Learn whenever you need a hand. www.learn.org